Yorana Tahiti World, I'm Steve Rivera, and this is Porinetia.com. We are very proud to present to you our first event of the year. This is our event that will be taking place in San Francisco on February 16th and 17th, in San Diego, February 19th, 20th, and 21st, and here in Orange County on February 23rd and 24th. Put this on your calendar. You do not want to miss this event. It is a first of its kind event, and there is no way that you will spend better time anywhere else than at this event. If you've ever wanted to become better in the Ori Tahiti, in the Reo Tahiti, in the Tahitian culture, in anything relating to Tahiti, this is the event for you. Group leaders, you will definitely benefit from this event as well. What a better way to show your dancers that you are pushing yourself to be the best. If you push yourself to be the best, then your dancers will follow by pushing themselves to be the best. In order to be the best, you have to learn from the best. And we are providing you the best there is in the Tahitian culture. First off is Steve Shayu. Everybody knows him. He's an internet sensation with his videos on the Reo Tahiti. He is a Reo Tahiti professor and anthropologist. He will be teaching you guys the Reo Tahiti course and the Tahitian culture course. Second, we have Hinatea Colombani. She is the creator of Arioi Cultural Center. At her cultural center, you can learn everything there is to be Tahitian, whether it be from speaking Tahitian, from dancing Tahitian, or building a house, making Tahitian food. You'll feel like you're in the old days. Hinatea Colombani will be teaching our Ori Tahiti basic course, or the traditional course, which will be focusing on the traditional dance steps, terminologies, movements, and how they relate to the language and cultural course that Steve Shayu will be teaching. These next gentlemen need no introduction, but I'm used to introducing them hand in hand. They are Teiki and Lorenzo of Le Grand Ballet. They have been the leaders, the pioneers in a different version of Ori Tahiti, that which is for us, the performers. We're used to this style of performing for hotels, for even in competitions. The competitions now have this new category called the modern category, right? So every event calls for a different thing, and they have taken the traditional dance steps and they have created something totally different and something totally unique, and they wish to present that at this event that we're putting on. They have chosen the terminology Ori Fusion course. Of course, their Ori Fusion is going to relate to the Ori Tahiti basic course, and it's going to relate to the Reo Tahiti course and Tahitian culture. There is nobody who can't benefit from this event, and there is nobody that won't benefit and won't leave our event with an understanding that they are part of the Tahitian culture. They are part of this bigger world, and they will not leave there without seeing how this world meshes and clicks together. The click of language, the click of culture, the click of dance, whether it be traditional or modern. You do not want to miss this event. It's only $200. That $200 is not going to get you 1 hour or 2 hours. It's going to get you 2 full days. 3 in San Diego with shorter class schedules each day, but 2 full days, essentially 10 hours of Tahitian education that you can't find anywhere else. I promise you, there's nowhere in one spot that you're going to learn so much than you will learn at this event. Contact us for more information. My wife's phone number, Moinao Rivera, is 714-261-1318, or of course, go to our website for all new information, www.porinetia.com/events. Register for this event as soon as possible. Go right now and register for this event. Go to our website, download the registration form, and then send it back to us at events@porinetia.com. Send in your registration fee of $200 as well. That way it secures your spot at this event. Spaces are limited, so we want to make sure that you have a spot at this event. Turn in your registration and pay for the event. It's coming up very soon, and you do not want to miss this. You want to be part of this experience with your group leader. Groups come out with your group leaders, and I hope the group leaders will encourage their entire group to come out so that they can enjoy and learn in this experience together. Don't only bring your dancers, musicians, choreographers, and even parents or just lovers of Tahiti will benefit from this event. It's for everybody. Bring your pareo if you're a dancer so you can get up and learn the dance firsthand, physically move to the words. Or if you're not a dancer, bring your pen and paper and write down all the knowledge that you're acquiring at this event. You will not regret it. Please go to our website for all updates or contact us. Don't hesitate to contact us. It's coming up very soon and we want you to be a part of this event with us. Thank you very much. Maruru roa, and we hope to see you there. Haru, ya, ya. Haru, ya, ya.